Everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well and your Monday is going good so far. So happy Monday, Makeover Mondays. I am here for a colourful look today. I'm doing something a little bit out of my kind of comfort zone. But yeah, I really wanted to create a really cute, colourful spring look today. A few things that inspired me for this look today was, of course, James Charles's daisy look. I think it was in one of his videos, recreating my followers' looks or something like that. That was really cool. So that kind of inspired the cut crease kind of look I'm going to go for. And I know it's silly, but I love this perfume. It's Daisy perfume and I really like the daisies on it. So yeah, I wanted to do like a little bit of both, mix them and put a little bit of Annie kind of style in there. I love springtime. I love it when all the flowers and the grass is growing, and I love going past fields and you see all the cute little baby lambs like bouncing about, and I want to save them all. Done my hair differently to Daisy. Oh, like it, it's so cute. I went like all curly and then I put it up, kind of going for like a Kim K style. I'm not sure if I suit it, let's see. I think I'll look better with makeup on. So as you can see, I've done my base and it really is all about the eyes today. So I really hope you enjoy this video, and yeah, let's just go straight into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off with James, oh my god, I'm dropping everything. We're going to go in with James Charles's palette, and we are going to go in with this wonderful green down in the bottom left hand corner, and I'm going to take a smallish kind of brush, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of pop the colour where I'd like to do the cut crease. It's going to be quite a high cut crease. I want to go quite high up, and yeah, let's just go in for it. I'm a bit nervous. You guys know how I feel about cut creases. I feel like I don't know why I struggle so much. Okay, and I also ordered a cute little hand mirror from, I think, Graham and Green they're called, and it's a cute little hand rabbit mirror, and I'm excited for it to come. I wanted it to come for today's video, but it didn't come, so I'm just going to use like a little kind of pocket mirror because it's much better than that kind of table mirror stand thing I always hold up in the video. That really, it actually frustrates me when I watch back like editing. I'm like, that is so annoying. I'm just going to pop it in my crease, take it up to the end of my eyebrow. I've been really practicing, guys. I actually practiced this look yesterday. I changed it a few times. I kept getting like ideas while I was going, and then I was like, oh no, I want to change that. But I've been really practicing. I really want to like improve my beauty game because, oh my god, the beauty guru standard is so insane on Instagram and everything. I'm so inspired everywhere I look, and yeah, I just really wanted to give it a go because I'm an arty person. I went to art university, so I don't really know why I haven't given it much time before, but yeah, I've been really practicing, so I hope y'all are proud. Once you have got that crease colour in, it's now time to cut crease. Again, I've been really practicing my cut crease game because it's just not great. Like, yeah, it's okay, but it's not great, and it bothers me. I don't know if I need to like redo my brushes or anything like that, but I'm gonna give it a go. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, I said it right, there we go. I've been getting the name, like pronouncing it wrong in every video I include it in. So I was saying it yesterday, Tarte Shape Tape. Oh, I nearly messed it up again. What am I like? Yeah, I'm just popping a little bit on my hand there, and we are gonna go in with this cut crease. I'm nervous. I know I should do it here, but my tan on my hands is actually so good right now, guys. I don't want to like ruin the tan by scrubbing the makeup off. Okay guys, I just finished that. What is that on my face? Nearly burped. Actually, okay, I'm happy with how that went. That went better than it did yesterday. All good, all good. Okay, good makeup days honestly affect your mood so much. So I'm just going to tap some powder on there just to set it a little bit. Not smother it in powder because otherwise the liquid liners that I'm going to use, it will crack and get a bit like dry looking. It's quite difficult to play around with liquid liners, especially the next ones that I'm going to use. They are quite drying. So yeah, I'm just going to like set it with Laura Mercier powder, and not a lot, just so it doesn't like transfer that much. So yes, I'm just going to go in with some of that. It's now time to go in with the colourful eyeliners. I love this part. Yeah, you need like a steady hand, and last night I was literally like this. I was like, I'm going to be going in with the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner, and I'm going in, yes, a coloured liquid liner, and I'm going to be going in with Vivid Escape. So it looks like this. It's a really nice green, kind of like a pastely green. I love it. So yeah, we are going to go in, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop a line of it where I've done the cut crease. Okay, so like that, it doesn't show up that much. I'm like, should I have done green? Should I have done other colours? I'm going to be using my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and yeah, that is in black. So I'm going to do a big black liner in the usual place, and yeah, then I'll cover that and surround that with a pink. Okay, so now that you've done your black eyeliner, I'm now going to be going in with the pink one, which is called, what is it, Petal. So that is the pink one of the NYX Vivid Liner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a pink liner around that black, on top and below. So again, this is either going to go really well or really badly. Positive thoughts, positive energy, you know, all about it. Okay, so once you've done the pink liner, as you can see, I'm really happy with how it's going. I actually was going to put pink under it, but I actually quite like it just over. So here is the fun part. So we are going to go in with these cute little flowers. Now, I've been really oohing and ahhing about what colour to do, but I think it will show up the petals more if we do just the usual daisy with the yellow centre. Because we've got the pink and green here, I'm going to do yellow centre and then like white flowers all kind of around my eyelid. Well, not all over, but in a cool way. So I'm going to take again the Vivid Bright liner by NYX, and this is in Halo, the shade. Again, it's a really nice banana yellow. I love banana yellow, pale yellow. I just absolutely love it. I'm not a big lover of kind of dull mustardy yellows. So yeah, what we're going to do is I'm going to start putting the centre of the flowers. It really is at random, like it's completely up to you where you put the flowers. It's nice that we've got this big open space here to do it. So, in fact, if I put some glitter on... Okay, so I'm going in with one of my faves, which is Fine Glitter Dust by Barry M, and it's the shade 15. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pop a little bit on my finger. Quite a lot comes out, so you really don't need a lot. You get, you know, you get your buck's worth. Here. Kind of on the highlight area. Oh, a little bit glitter! Yeah, there we go! I love that. Okay, so let's go in with these flower petals. I'm so excited. I hope it goes well. Everything is going well so far, so you know, so far so good. Yeah, going in with that yellow halo shade, and let's just pop a few little centre dots where we want the flowers. If you can hear that noise, that is literally my laptop having a nervous breakdown. I don't know why it's steaming up. And I'm now going to go in with the NYX liquid liner in white, and so it looks like that. And yeah, I'm just going to do the two flowers and then see if I need any more. Thing is, I don't want to OTT it. What do you guys think? I don't know if I should do like any more, if I should just leave it like that. Guys, I think less is more. I'm actually going to leave it like that. I think that is really cute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add some more glitter. You guys know I love a shimmer. So I'm going to add some more glitter. It does transfer a little bit though on that area. So I'm just going to make sure I pat it in. So let's go on to lashes now. Revelation, people, revelation for me. You guys know that in my previous makeup videos I've literally been like, I'm not a massive lash gal. You guys probably like, ew. But yeah, I find them so fiddly. I've just never had the knack for it. I find them quite difficult to use, and I see people online, they just, you know, they just throw them on and they look divine, and I'm like, how? And I went into Home Bargains, guys. I went into Home Bargains like a week ago, and there was a bunch of Eyeliner, is that how you say it? Lashes, like fake lashes, and they were like £1.60, and I picked up the Enchanted set in the purple box, and oh my goodness, they have actually been divine. No word of a lie, no joke. I absolutely love them. I have been using them so much within the past week. I wore them yesterday for Mother's Day. I hope you had a lovely Mother's Day, by the way, you know, with all your lovely mums. Again, I never wear fake eyelashes, so this was a big thing for me. Like, I actually found ones that worked, I could use and looked really good on. They weren't too much, but they really added just, you know, the lash length. So enough chat about lashes. I'm going to put I'm going to curl my lashes, put a thin coat of mascara on, and then add the lashes. So let's do that. I'm just going to curl them. Okay, I'm just going to add some glue to my lashes. I put them on using my fingers, and then I use the tweezers to like push them into my lash line. I love these lashes so much. They look so natural. They are of course a synthetic material, no mink at all. There's no mink on this channel, guys. Yeah, do you know what? If I can use these and put these on, anyone can. I think you guys can agree with me there, because lashes have always been a thing for me. So yeah, I'm actually going to add a little bit of mascara underneath, do my lip, do the other eye, and yeah, then we're done. Woo! Okay guys, I just finished the other eye and it actually went well. Oh my god, today is a good day. Okay, so let's finish off this look with some lips. Now I was like, will I do a plain nude? What is that noise? What is that noise? Don't know. So yeah, but I thought about maybe like a cute pinky glossy look, because the eyes are quite like pink and white and yellow and green, so I thought don't do a nude, do a cute pink. So I'm going to go in with one of my all-time favourite lip liners from Kiko, and it is the Everlasting Colour Precision Lip Liner, and I'm going in with 418, that's the shade, and this is a really nice pinky nude shade. I absolutely love it. I think it'll go well with the look. So yes, my lips are pretty shit at the moment, I'm going to be honest. They've been so dry, but today is the best day they've been, so I'm just going to roll with it. Now that my lip liner is on, do you know what? A look comes alive when you add your lips and lashes. Honestly, this whole lash thing has totally amazed me. Home bargains, £1.60 lashes are honestly, all the way for them. I feel like I'm now kind of getting the whole lash addiction because I finally found some that work. And yes, so to fill in the lips, I'm going in with Revolution Liquid Lipstick, I think. I'm not sure. It's one of those retro Luxe lip kits, you know, and it is in shade Grande D, and I really don't like the lip liner that came with this, but I really like the colour of the liquid lips, so I'm going to go in with this and just going to pat it on. Using my finger just to tap it in. Now, because this dries like a matte, I'm going to add some gloss, and I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss. I absolutely love that stuff. It is so gooey and beautiful. We are going in with shade, what is it? Sweet. So yeah, it's the High Gloss. It is such cute packaging, and yes, I'm going to get some on there. It's thick, so you don't want to smother your lips in it. I'm just going to like dab a little bit in the centre of my lips, and again just kind of tapping it in with my finger. We are done! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with how it came out. Oh my god, good makeup day, thank the Lord. Okay, so I'm going to do some posing and I'll be back. This video, and let me know what you think of this look down below. I'm really happy with how it came out, and yeah, it's so spring and happy and, you know, positive vibes, you know that. So yes, I'll see you guys again on Friday for another haul, and I hope you have the most amazing week. I'll see you guys then, and yeah, you know, let me know what you're doing this week. Let me know in the comments. I like to know what you're up to, and again, like I said, let me know of this look, you know, if you're feeling it, if you like it, if you want me to go more natural, or you want me to, if you like, you know, you're really digging this kind of, yes, Anneka, go and push yourself, do some colourful, fun things. Of course, if you're new here, thank you so much for watching this video. It means the absolute world, and I would love it if you hit the subscribe button, and of course the notification button, so you're the first to know when I post. So yes, that is it. I'll see you guys in my next video, and I'm gonna love you and leave you. Bye!